Okay, it's the 8th of March, and the map we're looking at here is around the 18th to 19th. Like I said in my video yesterday, that we'd be dealing with the cold air coming down out of Canada as the Strathwarm starts to give away, push the cold air down. And some of the models didn't show it, but now the models are beginning to come in an agreement. And my thought process yesterday was if something was going to form way down here, see it right here? And I thought it was going to come up as this thing comes this way. It would phase off the coast, and then there'd be a snowstorm. Um, I still think that, but unfortunately for you people around the I-95 corridor, it may not happen there, at least from what I can see right now. And a little further inland, like Reading, Lancaster, um, Lebanon, Allentown, even Stroudsburg, you'll have some rain and then snow. So how much you get is still up in the air for that. But I think further back at north, I think it's a pretty good snowstorm, at least as of right now. And what I mean about the other models are beginning to change and match. This is the Euro model, and you can see it's pretty close. It's getting close, and it wasn't like this, and now it's starting to show this. And again, here would be your track up like that, and there you go. So the Euro is now back on board. Now this is around the morning of the 18th, and I thought there'd be a low down here, and it shows it now moved over into this area here. So again, the direction I think is up the coast. Kind of think a little too close. The AI, and when I say AI, I mean artificial intelligence. It's a new thing Euro posted. It kind of shows this coming down with and as you can see, it's a negative tilt here. That's what we want. And here's your low off of the coast. Again, kind of like a bullseye would be right about there, a little bit below it. But again, we got to watch this. We got to see if this all comes together. And I kind of think this is the year. And I said we'd have one. I guess I'm again several days off. I thought around the 17th. We're talking 18th, 19th time period here. So we'll see what happens. And this is just to show you that there's a low pressure system off the coast of, I guess this would be Virginia down here. Here's Maryland, and then here's Delaware. It's off the coast, and it will strengthen. And again, if it comes up too close to the coast, the I-95 doesn't get it. If it's off the coast, the I-95 might get a better chance of mixing and then changing to snow. Um, right now, if you're looking at different things, kind of doesn't look like the I-95 corridor gets it. But I would say anybody to the west of that gets snow. And like I told you earlier, even further west than say north of 78 and west of 81, where they intersect there in central Pennsylvania. I'd say west of that, north of that, 78 would have a chance for a fairly good snowstorm. But we'll have to wait and see. Again, it's way off, and I'm just kind of giving you a heads up. So this is um, your weather extra for today.